In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can rotate and flip images in your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. So I have my PDF open here and I have an image here. And I can go to this edit menu on top, and with my image here, I select my image, and then here in the Adjust Objects option beneath Edit, I can flip my image vertical like this. I can flip it horizontal like that. And I can also rotate it if I want to. Just like that. So that's a really quick and easy way to flip and rotate your images in a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.